When building larger virtual tours, it's quite common to work with several different Matterport skins. This creates a challenge. If each skin were to have its own separate menu and navigation, the project can quickly start to feel disconnected. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the global menu feature in MPskin. This feature is especially helpful when you're working with multi-tour projects and want to create one consistent menu experience across several skins. With the global menu, we can define one skin as the main or master skin and use its menu setup across all other involved skins. This means that we don't have to build the same menu structure over and over for every single skin, saving us time and effort. Let's take a look at how to set this up. The first step is to decide which of your skins will be the master skin, the skin that contains the full menu with all of its content. Inside this master skin, we can start building our menu as usual, including the menu structure, the different menu items, and also any deep links we want to use for navigation. For global menu projects, these deep links play an important role as they link all of the involved skins together. When linking from one involved skin to another, the deep link action needs to be set to Switch Skin. This ensures that when a visitor clicks on a menu item, the page does not reload. Instead, only the space underneath the menu changes. So, all in all, the global menu can be set up in just 3 easy steps: setting up the menu in the master skin, creating the necessary deep links, and then making sure that all deep links are configured to switch skin. This allows us to create a much smoother navigation experience across multiple tours. Another important component of many skin menus are tags. If tags from the involved skins are listed in the menu of the master skin, these tags will not stay the same across all the skins. Instead, when the user switches from one skin to another, the tags shown in the menu will automatically be swapped out based on the active skin. This means that each skin can still display its corresponding tag content, while the overall menu structure remains consistent throughout the entire project. Skin Switch is also available for MPskin highlight reels. This enables the creation of highlight reels that navigate across several skins. Let's have a look at an easy example. A project that only consists of 2 skins, Skin 1 and Skin 2. I want the highlight reel to cover both Skin 1 and Skin 2. To do this, the first step is to create individual highlight reels within each of the involved skins. Once this is done, the second step is to link the reels together. This is where the skin switch setting comes in. Let's open both of the skins in separate tabs. At the end of the highlight reel of Skin 1, we add a new highlight reel item and set the action to External Link. Now, we pull the share link of the highlight reel in skin number 2, enter it into the newly created highlight reel item, and set the target to Switch Skin. Now, when the reel is started in Skin 1, it will continue playing in Skin 2. We can also set this up as a loop by going through the same process in Skin 2. Create a new reel item, enter the share link of the Skin 1 highlight reel, and select Switch Skin. Let's have a look. And that's it. By using the global menu system, we can create multi-space projects with ease without losing functionality of tags or highlight reels. Have fun building,